In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Google and start.elevenlabs.io quickly and effortlessly. This guide is geared towards showing you the straightforward steps you need to follow to set up your account and begin exploring the platform, all while enjoying its free features. To kick things off, what you'll need to do first is search for ElevenLabs on Google. Simply head over to your preferred browser, be it Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and type ElevenLabs into the search bar. You should see it right at the top of the search results. ElevenLabs is a host of a wide range of innovative tools that can be incredibly useful for creators and businesses alike. Once you've found it, click on the link that directs you to the home page of ElevenLabs. Take a moment to look around the site and get a sense of what they offer. The website is fairly intuitive, so navigating it should be a breeze, even if you're visiting for the first time. When you're ready to dive deeper, you'll want to get started with their offerings. Look for a button that says Get Started Free. Clicking on this button will lead you to a page where you can begin the sign-up process. It's clear and prominent on the page, designed to encourage you to take that initial step without any hassle. Clicking it indicates your interest in exploring what ElevenLabs has to offer without any initial commitment. Next, you'll be prompted to sign up. Here, you'll see an option to sign up with Google. Choosing this option simplifies the process, as it allows you to connect using your existing Google account credentials. If you're already logged into Google on your browser, this will be seamless and take just a few clicks. For those not already logged in, simply follow the prompts to do so. This integration with Google is particularly convenient, making account creation speedy and efficient, and it's a secure way to manage your logins across various sites. Once you've signed up, feel free to explore the platform and all that it has to offer. ElevenLabs allows you to use many of its features free forever, which is ideal for those who want to take their time getting familiar with the tools it provides. This is a fantastic opportunity, especially if you're new to this kind of platform, as it removes the pressure of committing to a purchase. Remember, spending some time tinkering with the features will allow you to get the most out of your experience and personalize your journey based on your needs and interests. So take it slow, enjoy the exploration process, and have fun discovering how ElevenLabs can serve you in either a professional or personal capacity. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your new journey with ElevenLabs.